page, it should show me that it's live, and I should see a preview over here. How did someone already like it? That's so weird. Well, I'm not calling you weird, but I'm just saying. Damn! Live? Yeah, it doesn't sound like... Oh! Oh, okay, I am live. Okay. Cool. Hello? Okay, I am live. Wait, does it? Hi? Am I talking to myself? That's so weird. What? Oh, it doesn't... Okay, okay. For anyone watching the stream in the future, or the VOD, just know I'm trying to play around with the audio settings, and apparently the voice that I'm speaking into the screen right... Like, the voice that I'm speaking into the microphone right now does not... Like, I can hear it back in my ears, but it doesn't get picked up by OBS, which is pretty cool. Okay. Okay. We were here last. And what were we up to? We were up to... Oh, no, I don't want to hear myself. Okay. We were up to this. So we were... Oh, trying to... Got key. Oh, okay. When key is gone, it should do that. Okay, so let's do that. Move next. Wait, is it even showing that I'm live? It's not. I don't trust it. Until I see a chat message, which will take a while, I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Home. Oh, okay, it does. Okay. I kind of don't like the same thing every time. So I'm going to quickly make a pay icon for that. Where is it? It's in the Godot, ArtYT. Oh, no, that's... Oh my god, my graphics card is still too new, so I don't have proper thingamabobbers. Oh, okay. Whatever. Okay. I guess what I'll do is I'll just text. I'll put a game icon instead of game emoji. Boom. This is literally how I make my thumbnails, more or less. See, my graphics card is not updated, so it doesn't do the... It don't want to cooperate. Even if I export it, it's not going to export properly. It's not going to export. It's not. Unless that is actually just blank and I'm being stupid. Yep, this is what happens when you get a new graphics card. I guess what... Oh, what I just realized. I just realized something. Boom. That works. That works. And my graphics card can produce that. Change to... Boom. Streams. Save. Okay, cool. Hello. Okay, cool. We were just changing the thumbnail of the stream because I realized it was the same as the last like 7 streams, but I'm just testing out what I have so far, making sure it works. See, sometimes I can't freaking press. So I'm kind of confused. Why? Oh, okay, I wasn't in the game. Why can't I? See, that pisses me off. Like, why can't I move? I can click around. That's fine. Something's stopping me from moving. Okay, let's see. No, I can move. And it stops. It stops. It stops like there's no tomorrow. Okay, also I don't know why that screen isn't updated anymore. Is my stream gone? Says I've been streaming for 5 minutes. Oh no, it's still here. Okay, hello. Sorry, I thought my stream disappeared. Okay. Trying to figure out what the hell to do about this bug, because the key seems to play a role in the lack of movement. Because look, when I have zombies there, everything seems to be moving around. But, you know, I can move around, there are no problems. No problems at all. Okay, you know what? I should also write down what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Okay. What the hell? Okay, let's see. Let's see. So, figure out map gen. I did random walkers. Oops. I did random walkers. After teleport enemy, we designed sound effects. Oops, that's going down here. Limit block placement. I did that. Add UI, I'm doing that. Add death, I'm doing that. Add restart, yes. Okay, add restart. Now add proper death screen. Door. Yes, I did. Stop texting. Door, I need to make sure that the make door actually take me to the second screen. Oh, shut. Sorry, my phone is I'm making noise. Shut up. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Need a sip of my coffee to get back into focus. Okay, so door has been made. Now I need to make the door actually take me to the second screen and display that info on UI. Oh my gosh, Grime. Hello. I am working on game again. I was gonna post it. Oh my god, I should have posted it into our little group chat, but I forgot, which I will do now, like this very second. Development. Smiley face. Okay. I don't know why, but I have trouble typing and streaming at the same time. It feels like I'm texting in two places. Okay. So what else am I doing? Okay. So door has to. Oh, what the hell? That is so trippy. I've never seen that before. Okay. So I just need to. I'm almost kind of. Why do you recommend this? Hey, that's pretty cool. Hello. Okay. So the idea is. I'm almost done the game, to be honest. I'm basically done. I just need to add like a lot of polish. I need to fix a few UI elements, but like the main game, or to put it in like the terms of like a proper like game design. Oh, sorry. If I was going to use proper game design terms, game design terms. Sorry, I had to say that properly. If I had to put into proper game design terms, I would say that I'm done like the actual game part. Like the game loop is done, like 100% done, which is, you know, you're kind of just like, it's rogue, like you're going through a maze and, you know, you can place blocks and you can mine blocks. That part is done. I just need to add like a whole bunch of polish, and I need to make it so that the game actually looks complete, like it looks like a video game. So there's like UI telling you like, you know, how many blocks you have left to place, stuff like that. Oh, I have to limit block placement by number, and like limit mining and placing, so it's actually, you know, a proper game that way. What else should I be doing? Hello, Ethan does stuff. Hello. I'm working on a little game jam game where you can see Grime just texted above. I don't know if you can see that, but Grime is another Godot YouTuber, and we have like a little game jam competition going on. It's a little game I'm making for the game jam that I was just explaining, which is me, Grime, two other Godot YouTubers are working on a little, like, we have like a one art set or one art asset kit, and we're making a game around it to like not see who makes the best game, but like we're just trying to see who can make. Sorry, not who can make, but we're just making games in like 48 consecutive hours in over 2 weeks. Why am I explaining this so badly? It's only midday. We all get same art. We take art, we make game. Oh, hey, yes. I remember I watched your Transparent Windows tutorial in Godot 4. Yes. Apparently that doesn't work anymore because Godot changed this. I don't know why my graphics card is doing this. This is horrible, but this jitter. But apparently that transparent window doesn't work. Coding and talking on stream and texting and then checking your phone for a stupid email. Okay. Yeah. I don't think that transparent windows tutorial works, but I'm happy. I think it works in older versions. I know that for a fact. For me, oh yay, cool, that's amazing. I love that transparent Windows tutorial. It's the only unique one I think I've made, or one of the most unique ones. Okay, what was I doing? I was trying to get yes, limit mining and placing, which I have to do. Okay, door, make door work. Okay, I have to fix the key. Okay, most important task is key fix. Okay, key, no, not key fix effect, key fix. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I need to like do that. Okay, cool. So if I have to fix key, what does that mean? I have to, what do you call? I have to put a key here. Key. Oh my god, then that means I also have to freaking put the key. So when the key works fine, I think. Is it going? So when the key reaches a spot, it stops. So now I have to figure out why the key is doing that. Key. Okay, so move to map, move key. Okay, I'm going to lose it with all these notifications. Are you kidding me? Okay, okay. So right now the key is if your vector to y is equal to this, and get a new spot. But the issue, oh, I guess to fix it, to do a really quick, oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. To fix it, I think what I should do is I should just say finished move.init, because you inherit from extends movable character, and because you extend movable character, you have this finish move, and finish move is what the entity handler wants, which is over here. Where is it? Finish move, yes. And from my understanding, it shouldn't matter. Oh, I need the key to be closer. Yeah, these variable names are explicit. Although, to be honest, I've found that they actually help me when I come back to code bases. And, oh, that worked. These variable names actually help. I'm not even joking. So because I call it like, you know, something I'm supposed to move, or if I go to like a random sprite to move, like I am going to, okay, this one's a horrible one, but finish move signal is like amazing. What do you call? Tile size. These are pretty normal, I think. Let me see. ASG, I think, is the worst one so far. But like relapses, that's like, I was like thinking of drugs when I wrote that. So it's like relapses are, you know, how many times you go back and, you know, do your bad habits. Oh, the function names are also pretty interesting. Get path from point 1 to 2. Check if I'm over player. If not player, then allow. What the hell does that even mean? Oh, if I'm not the player, then allow move again. I don't even know what that does. But I think it makes sure that I'm not the player, you know? Let's see what else. Teleporter enemy, get random location near player. Yeah, my variable names are out there. But I've never really worked on a coding project with other people, so I think that's where my lack of formal coding variable names comes from. Okay, cool. So now if I've collected the key... Oh, perfect. Okay. Shit. I have to... Okay, there we go. If I get rid of that, then, you know. Will I make it? Okay. Boom. And if I mine... Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Obviously, you can't just do this during, like, the actual game, but, like, you would go do something like that. Okay. Cool. So, that means this is working. Okay. Let me see. Okay, 1 second. Something popped up. Okay. Okay, we're all good. And okay, so key fix. Where is it? Ooh, I need stream music. Oh yeah, I was gonna say stream music is so weird because I searched up stream music. Oops. I searched up stream music and I'm like, oh, playlists were made, right? And I'm like, these are all copyrighted to my understanding. But like, I think no copyright sounds is probably the safest bet. Like, there's no one who can call me out for playing Fade from Alan Walker. You know, it may be cringe, it may be a TikTok song, but I think it works. Okay, I can hear it, kind of. Okay, it just helps you focus a little bit. Okay, so back to the task at hand, which is making a game. Okay, key fix. Key has been fixed. Key fix. Okay, so limit block placement by number, limit mining. So I'm gonna do this when I add UI. Add UI after tele and after. Oh, okay. Sound effects comes near the end. Sound effects come near the end. Add restart. Okay. Oh yeah. I should mark on the door. Make door actually take me to the second screen and display that info on the UI. I guess I should start being concerned about UI. So var, what do you call it? Limit mining and placing. Limit mining and placing. Var, num of blocks left to place 0. And var num blocks I left to mine 0. Oh wait, I guess these would be 5. And then let me see. I guess I would have to do a var num of blocks I have mined, which is going to be equal to 0, and then var num my chair num of blocks I have placed. And I should do it like this. Okay, so give me 1 second. Okay, sorry. Okay, cool. We're back. Num of blocks I have placed. Okay, so these two should go together. These two should go together. Let me see. What else? Yeah. Oh yeah. Var level number. Or do I want to do levels? I'm not sure. I guess I'll do level numbers. Level numbers or depth. Do I really want to do depth? Why do I want to do depth? What does depth do for me game design wise? Oh, it allows me to add bosses, which I want to do. I want to try adding a boss. Although I don't know what a boss would look like with these mechanics, to be honest. But whatever. Let me see. Door. Place door. Hello? Oh, the door just stays there. Oh. Okay, so I need door to get a move onto map. Get a random tile. So that makes sense to me. Oh, so map has that. Map has a function there. But what I need map to have is I need map to have a function that allows me to grab the rightmost set of tiles out of the map, which should be pretty easy. Function get a random tile that is completely on the right hand side of the map. Boom. That is a perfect variable name. No, is it? No, okay, yeah, it's fine. What would I have to do? I would have to do so var for that I would have to say var r of tiles that are on the right hand side is equal to an array. Boom, that's a variable name right there. And now I have to do for I have to get walkable cells, no? Get cells that are walkable. Okay. Once I get for cell and get cells that are walkable, what do I have to do? I have to do for oh yeah, it gives me an array. Get cells used by ID. Okay. It just gives me an array of vector2i's, which is fine. That's fine. I don't really care. I'm just trying to figure out what's the best way to get the rightmost tiles. What is the best way to get the rightmost tiles? I would have to loop over the array. So let me open up GNG real quick, just so I can show what I'm thinking too visually. Okay, so if I have just an array of array of numbers or vector2i's, right? Array. What do I need to do? I need to well, I know for a fact that there's certain segments of this 1D array that are 2D, and I know that I want to get, like, not the end element per se, but I want to get the highest y value. I want to get the highest y value for each x value, basically. And what does that mean? Wait, let me look at my map. Maybe there's a simpler way to do this. In my map, I just want to grab the tiles that are kind of here. What does that look like? Thank you. I mean, the second you sent that message, I completely changed my thought process, which is, okay, maybe instead of looking for all the tiles that are on the complete right-hand side, so I was originally asking for these values, but I don't really care about those values because that may not be interesting. What would also be interesting is like something over here. This is equally valid and interesting. In fact, that might have like some turnout where you go around and whatnot. I guess you could do that if it's over here, but whatever. I also don't want to rule out this guy. I don't want to rule out this one. Even something here is completely valid and fun. Although it may make this stuff useless, but I don't really care. So I just want anything that is past a certain value. And honestly, I think something around the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 24. Anything past 24 should be completely valid, and anything here. So anything that has, if cell.x is greater than 24, r of tiles dot append cell, and then I want to return r of tiles dot pick random, and you are going to return a vector to I, my friend. Okay, this should work. This should work. Get r of tiles that are complete on the right hand side of the map, and then door is going to ask, so place door, and then what you're going to do is you're going to say global position of door is going to be equal to global.map.get a random tile that's completely on the right hand side of the map. And now door, oops, it has to be what do you call it? It has to be global dot, on the map, so it'd be local, it'd be map to local this. Now my door is going to be on a oh my god, that looks horrible. It's dooring, but, or I mean it's a door, but it don't look good, you know? It don't look good. So what do I want to do? What am I going to do about it? Let me see. I guess I would have to just make the sprite a tiny bit smaller. Although I really hate the readability of this tile set, or at least I think I'm using it wrong. I'm definitely using it wrong. Oh, okay. No, that looks horrible. 2? I'm smaller than the door. Oh my god, no, that looks horrible. 4 doesn't work. Does 3 work? 3 works. Oh my god, I love 3. Oh, holy shit, I love 3. Oh my gosh. What do I want to do? I want to make this 3 too. I don't know why I chose 4.2. I think I chose it because it's 42. I'm not entirely sure. 42 is a pretty interesting number because it references the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. But if I make all of you guys 3, I hate how this is not all on the same like inherited scene. But if I make all of you 3, hey, that looks a lot better, I think, because now they're in a tile. But the tile is also so ugly. Where is it? What tile am I using even? What the hell? I'm using 1.6. What is 1.6? The hell? 1.6. 1.6. Oh, I'm using this one. Is there a better tile? I didn't really look around. Tile set has been a challenge. I do. I think it's fine. I think it's hard to make it look good, but like the tile set itself is pretty like standard, I think. Oh, really? Okay, interesting. So you're in the process of remaking it. Yeah, I would say like I'm probably going to have to do something where like I grab bits and bobs of each sprite and like make it animated in some way, because I really do want to add like some sort of like slight animation, because I love this game called Rift Wizard. and I just want to like, I really want to try to make a system where it's very similar to how Rift Wizard handles their, and like they have this. I love this game, by the way, and I love how they have this like little bob. Yes, I know Rift Wizard. Oh my god, is amazing. Like I just want that little like mini bob animation so badly. Oops, I guess you couldn't have seen it. Like something where like they shift a tiny bit, like left, right, left, right. I love that. I just have to like implement that though. Oh, okay. Let me see. There's no black tile, and I really want to use a black tile. Guess I just have to experiment. There's also no completely white tile, which, you know, isn't a bad thing. It's just, ugh. You're making this harder than it has to. Actually, wait, what? Where? There actually is a full black square. Oh my gosh, there is. Oh my god, I completely missed it. Wow. Wow. Okay, so maybe if I do, but I know if I do 1-1, it's going to look, oops. 1-1. Oh, what the? Oh, current pause. Oops. Walk tile. 1-1. Ooh, I cannot see that. What the? Oh, I really cannot see that. I mean, I can see it. It's. I don't know. I don't trust it. Okay, so black square, amazing. I want like a. I mean, if it was like my own tile map, I would obviously put like. I would make a square that somehow allowed me to have like dotted lines, but whatever. It's not that big of an issue. How's this? Nope, this don't look good. I wanted to play around with these, but like, it's not really like a. I don't know. I don't really like that one. I guess I'm just being a bit nitpicky here, but I'm also supposed to like try going towards polishing, so I'm not completely wasting my time by doing this. Wow, I didn't know there was a fully black square. Thank you. There's also these. Oh my gosh, wait, these are kind of good, except they're pretty bright. Wait, lawyer. That's not bad. Just gotta try it out over here with, what is it? There's 0.6. Ooh, I like that. I like that. That looks pretty good. This gives me like a dungeon, a polished dungeon feel. I don't know if it fits in the theme, and I like how at least the zombie and player at the moment, thank you. I like this one too. This one also still fits. It still kind of fits, but yeah, okay, this is not bad. Okay, cool. Get away from me. Get away from me. Okay, there we go. I like this, and the door fits too. Door's kind of bright, low key. I think. Oh, what I should do is I should try using the black and white sprites. Maybe that would go better. Just because I think my current sprite is a bit too big. Transparent monochrome. Okay. Following enemy. Transparent monochrome. Ooh, I mean, it looks exactly like the player. Oh no, there's a slight difference. Slight difference. Tile locator, dash enemy. Dasher, transparent monochrome. Wait, let's see how this looks. Ooh, okay, the door and key have to change too then. I think it just looks a bit more cohesive if I have. Yeah, so now the only colors on screen should be, well, I guess I could make the enemies red. Good old scene tabs galore, so many to keep track of. I'm not gonna lie, this is on the small side for me. In my VR game, there's like tabs, like I have like the little scroll thing on the top right. It gets really bad, especially for 3D games. But I think this is, oh, Eagletorp, or no, you said how to say your name and I forgot. Eagletorp. Yes, there are a lot of scene tabs to keep track of, but I think this is still manageable. At least the only ones I really need to take care of right now are the ones I need to take care of are open. You know, like I don't have to take care of the ones that are hidden at the moment. So it makes it a bit more manageable. Also, this one has to change in scale a bit. Let's see. Yes, I like how this looks. Well, hello? Why can't I move? Great, my game broke. Oh. Oh, when I die, does it... When I die, do I have to do this? I don't think I do, but that's kind of concerning. Oh, oops, I forgot that I didn't have the setup with WAS yet. That is one thing I'm delaying. But yes, I think this looks fine. Okay, this looks okay. Okay, door has to be... I really want the colors to be simplistic as hell. So that means door should be... I guess door should be yellow because it matches the key, or like a darker stain of yellow. I guess orange, and then key has to be yellow for sure, like straight yellow. Let's see. I like that. I like how it has a little hover around it too. Player, I guess, is green for good, and player would be green. Asset pack. I wonder if anyone else uses it. I do like the look of the asset pack. No games off the top of my head remind me of anyone using it before. Although it's kind of funny you say that because Grime and I were literally just discussing how this it's kind of hard to like make this look good, but you know, if you give it some elbow grease, it eventually looks good. Okay, so you're bad, so you're red. Ooh, okay. I feel like this is extremely clear as to what. I feel like this is extremely clear. Oh, Linos, hello. I like the emoji. How did you get it? Can I copy paste it? Oh, I'm distracted now. Face orange biting nails? How did you do that? Oh, there's a tab. Oops. Oh, just not sure. Post-processing effects. Post-processing effects in Godot. They're there. I don't know. I haven't used the 2D ones in a while, so I'm gonna figure out how to use them in a bit. But they're there. I know they exist. That's about it. Okay, I think this looks a lot better. Now, the question is, do I want walls? Would this look good with walls? I am willing to experiment. Oh yeah. Oh, with this asset. Oh, this asset pack. I'm guessing that's what you meant. Ooh, that sounded bad. I feel like my game would be the weirdest visually. I feel like putting this asset pack into a 3D world is a tiny bit hard, but I do like the screenshot you sent, although you said you changed it up, so I'm excited to see what you've done. Whenever we get to see it. Okay. Are walls something I'd want? And do these walls... Oh, these walls would be dark gray. Oops. Are walls something I want? Oh, I have walls already. I have walls there, but I don't have walls around it. You know what? I'm not going to put walls. It's a waste of time. Let me focus on actually getting my game into a functioning state. So, if I have this so far... Hello, new viewers. If I have this so far, and I'm, enemies can move around, there's a key. I have to work on the key actually interacting with the door. So I'm going to do that now. So I have to make, we've seen about that. That's some cards at my stage. Door key. Okay, so function switch. Okay, I guess I would have to make a function of door. No, what would I call it? I would have to call it player grabbed key. So I am going to show an unlocked door. Okay, and then on my ready scene, I'd have to tell key to go tell the entire game that, hey, global.key equals self. Var key is going to be a type key. Oh, I have that already? No way. Class name key. Did Godot already automatically do that for me? There's no way. What? Wait. I'm not going crazy. Wait. Over here, key is a node. It's a node image. But over here, key is a key. It put a key image for me. I don't know if... Am I going crazy? Like, it didn't do that for a movable character. It didn't do that for player. But for key, it seems to have put a key node image for me. I've never seen that before. Okay. Interesting. Okay, anyways, global.key equals self, and then var signal player has touched key. That sounds sus, and I don't mind it. Okay, so player grab key, so that would be global.key.connect. Oh no, dot player has touched key connect. What do you call it? You do this. Oh, I would also have to do if key. If there's a key on the map, first of all, then I would have to do that. If there's a key, I want you to connect the signal. Oops. If there's a global.key, connect your signal, cool, and also change the sprite. Shit. Oh wait, what I can do is, regular door. I could do. Oh, why the hell do you have a script? Regular door, locked door, and unlocked door. Now, I just need to figure you out. Okay, so this is a locked door. Set your region to be the locked door. Okay. And then unlocked door would have to be a unlocked door. I think it makes sense that locked door or regular door is just regular door. Okay. Okay. So to test this out, I would have to do, if there's a key, if there's a global key, then I need you to show locked door. And then function show unlocked door. And then function show regular door. Okay. And then I hate doing this, but hide all doors. Okay, done. Okay, so for C in get children, C.hide, and then what I would do is hide all doors, hide all doors, hide all doors, and then show locked door would do locked door.show. Unlocked door would be unlocked door.show, and then show regular door would be show regular door.show. Okay, so first thing I want to test is, does removing the key show the regular door? God damn it. If global.key, that should work. If global.key. Oh, maybe it's kind of referring to, okay. My own key. My own key. There we go. Now that shouldn't have an issue. Because my own key. And door also cares about global.my own key. If global.my own key, and if global.my own key. Okay. Hello? Oh, maybe I named them wrong. That is entirely plausible. Nope, nope. I have not named them wrong. Let me see. Locked door. Oops, I never actually called my functions. Great. Okay, so this one would be show locked door. And then this one, or else, this would be show reg door. And then when the player grabs the key, show unlock door. So now, where the hell is my door? Oops, I called this function after everything. So I show the door and then I hide it all. Okay, regular door shows, amazing. And if I add key. Now this only works with one key, but I don't care, and great. Cool. Yes, it's locked until I grab the key. Are you joking? What the hell? No. Oh my god. Are you kidding? There. Leave me alone. Okay. I feel like this will crash, but we'll try it. Oh, great. I didn't even set the, great. I didn't even set the, whatchamacallit, the player dot, once you, did I touch something? You are touching something. Did I say that? You are touching something key. If entity is key, then entity dot, I guess if entity is key, if entity is key, then what do I want to do? If the entity is key, I want to do player grabbed key. Okay, player grabbed key. And because player grabbed key, which game jam? So the game jam that I am working on is a game jam between 4 or I guess 3 other Godot YouTubers. I don't know if you can see the previous chat, but it is in between. I guess I could show this. I don't think my IP or anything is on this. Eagle Trope, his YouTube channel, and we got Grime. I say Grimes because it reminds me of that musician, but YouTube Grime. We got Grime right here. And then we got, what do you call? There's one more. His name is Nathan. It's a game jam between 4 Godot YouTubers. And the asset pack we're going to be using, I'll grab him in a second. Don't worry. The asset pack we're using is this asset pack. And we have to build a game around it in 2 weeks, but we get 48 hours to do so. The last guy is Nathan the Craziest. I think so. Nathan the Craziest, yes. Oh, okay. Nathan the Craziest. That was the last guy. So 1, 2, 3 in no particular order. I guess that was really fast, but we're working on a game jam between us 4, myself included, and we're just trying to make a game in 2 weeks, in 2 weeks, but we get 48 hours to do it. And yeah, I guess that's the only restriction, and everything else is a free-for-all. Okay, where was I? Yes. And then we're all gonna make like little game dev vlogs about like testing each other's games out and also showcasing like how we made the game and like all that fun stuff. Well, remind me of Enter the Gungeon pause menu. The pause menu for Enter the Gungeon? I played Enter the Gungeon. Oh yeah, because it does show you the map. I guess you could say the map gen kinda is like Enter the Gungeon, but I'm trying to make yeah, I guess although I don't think I like outright copy them, I see where you're coming from. I definitely see where you're coming from. Okay, interesting. I didn't think about that. Thank you, Maged CT. Maged CT. Okay, let's see. What do I want to do? Oh yeah, I was working on that function. Function. Player grab key. So, do I want to do an animation? Animation player. That would be pretty cool. Grab. The animation would be super simple, but I think it adds a lot of character. You start there, and then it goes up. Black and white. Yes. Oh, this one. The map. I guess it's the tile set. There's other variations of the tile set too. I'm just choosing the black and white one. Like I literally like maybe 10-15 minutes ago switched from the black and white one to the colored one, but yeah, it's an asset pack by Kenny NL, like the guy who makes all the person who makes all the like, you know, the popular game assets for just making games. Yeah, I guess this. Yeah, I could see how this also reminds you of Enter the Gungeon. Interesting. I need to give it a bit. I'm using GDScript. Everything here, GDScript. If I was using C#, you would see me in VS Code. That is one hint to take away. Oop, get rid of that. GDScript all the way through. Cool. Okay, so player grab key. What do I want to do? Oh yeah, I was working on animation. So animation. I guess the animation should be really, really quick, just to avoid any issues. But I just want this to go up into the sky and like fade out. So I guess I want it to go up a little bit, and I want you to go up even more, and then I want you to like scale 0 basically. Oops, no, I would have to scale 3, and then up a bit more, keyframe, and then scale 0. I'm new to game dev, but just curious. Oh, okay, if you're new to game dev, then hello, welcome to game dev. No, we make little games and stuff. I guess if you check out any of the channels I mentioned a little earlier. Ooh, that looks really nice. Oh my god. If you check out any of, I'm gonna go learn more coding. Good luck. No worries. Have fun. See ya. Okay. I think that animation looks good enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do animation that play grab, and I'm gonna do player touched key. Player has touch key. Emit. Okay. emit. Oops. Oh, I have two functions of the same name. Okay. Sound goes here. Play sound goes here. Sound goes here. And yeah, that should work. Theoretically. Okay. I just need to grab the key. That's it. Come on, come on. I just want to grab the key. Key. Cooperate, please. Cooperate. Please. Let me just grab you. There. Oh, okay. There we go. It worked. Except it moved too. Oops. Okay, I don't want that to happen. Because I subscribed from one. Yo, no worries. I'm glad you subscribed from the tutorial. Not bad at all. Okay, so back to. Thank you for saying that. I really appreciate that. Okay, so back to this. Player touch key. Play sound goes here. And what do I want to do after? I want to do player touch key dot emit, but I also want to do something like. What do you call? I have key. I'm just trying to think. What exactly do I want to do? Why can't I think of it? Oh my gosh. Player touch key. Oh, I have to tell it to stop moving. Okay, yes. I have to tell it to stop moving. So, player has touch key. So, so var was touched. False. This sounds so sus, but player has touch key, was touched equal true, and then I have to do a and not was touched. That sounds horrible. And not was touched. Oh my gosh, the English is Englishing here. So this should work because at the current moment, oh my gosh, why is the key all the way over there? The key was just above me. I should have kept it, but whatever. Oh, okay, up here. Shit. Do you want to let me go? Do you want to let me go grab the key, sir? Sir? Okay. Wow, I actually hate my game. I can't grab the key. Wow. And great, it's brought me to two people. No. Okay. There, this should allow me to. That was a horrible idea. There! I just duped them. There we go. Amazing. And perfect. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my god, no worries. First real project used to have some bullets from the center of the screen to where the mouse is. Oh, I'm really happy to hear that. I love it when people make more games because you learn how to code. And when you learn how to code, you learn how to think. And thinking is a good thing. Although I seem to fail at being able to think around my own game. Oh my gosh, okay. You know, I was just trying to test the key as well. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Okay, this should. Okay. I'm going to the key. You don't follow me. You don't follow me either. You get lost. Okay, the key. What? Are you kidding me? This is the worst bug I've ever faced in my life. I need to grab key and I cannot. This is so embarrassing. I now I need to understand why it does that. Why do you like freeze up? Okay, I guess else it would have to finish emit move because if it's greater than 0, maybe that would help. Okay. Oh yeah. Also, I just realized that every time you move, finish move to a pause. Bye now. The export template I have been downloading for minutes. Ha! No worries. Have fun exporting something from Godot, probably Godot, or exporting things in general. Okay. Let me see. None of these actually work with the tile map, so that's fine. And to my understanding, each enemy interacts with the tile set itself. Oh yeah. Okay. This one and this one. I need these two. So let me just go back to my key. Move key. Okay. I need to. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to work it so that the key sets itself as a cell in the grid map or the A-star grid. So the reason I want to do that is because the key should be like a variable block that the A-star grid kind of works around. So I don't want the zombies or anyone to really go onto the key, because that's just annoying as hell. So set a pause to walkable because I left it. It's going to be this one. And then the new spot you are going to have is the spot you're going to. Spot going to. Spot going to. And I guess I could just do this one. Okay. It should work. There. Boom! I just cut off your source. Okay, this one should... Yay! I really hated that. Oh my gosh, that really made me cringe internally because I think the key has to like show that it was touched. So almost instantly the key, I want the key to like scale up and then super scale down, like almost say so. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like that. Nope, 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 nope. One, maybe? Oh, I should do a rotation. There we go. And then... Whoa, what the? Cubic angle? Whoa, I've never seen that before. Yes, I love that. I love that. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Let me see. Hello, hello. I don't know why it said 2 concurrent view. It said 0 for a sec. Now it's like 2. I know I'm not like a super big streamer, but like I have like at least one person watching. And you know, if it is at least one person watching, hello. Hello, new viewers. That's amazing. But it actually prompts me to talk. If there's 0, I stop talking. Okay, let me see. So I was working on the animation. I was working on the animation, and what do I want to do? Okay, so animation is working. Let me go to my little checklist. Where the hell did my checklist go? Oh, door. Make door actually take me to the second screen and display that info on the UI. Okay. The key is also working. Oh, damn it. I forgot to check if the key was actually doing its job. And you know what I just realized? I've got this on my back. Oh, hello. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that so much. Okay, so there's at least one person watching, which means I shouldn't shut up. Okay, so key, come here, key, come here. There we go, and it also unlocks. Okay, perfect. So now oh, the key does not disappear. Okay, so I need to make sure that the key, oh, so the key was grabbed. Oh, was touched. If was touched. So if it's not touched then. My god, this sounds so sus. But I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Okay. So if not touched, oh my gosh. If you were not touched, then touched. If you were not touched and then you get touched, touched is true. Okay, let me just say that one more time easily. If you were not touched before, then your touched state is true or variable is true, and therefore you cannot get touched again. If only real life worked like that. Okay. Let me see now. I also have to make it that the door. Oh, I have to make it so that the. Oh, I have a slight issue here now. I have to make it so that the player... I have to make it so that the player... What do you call? The player... Do I really want to do that? I'm working around the idea of making the player maybe grab... What do I want to do? I want to make it so that do I go to player? Try a direction, right? Where's try direction? Okay. Is it a valid tile? And is it a valid tile is cells that are walkable? Oh, I guess after the door gets set. Okay, if there's a locked door, then I also have to. Okay, so part of show locked door is also global.map set cell vector chord. So I'd have to do local to map. Oh, so I have to do global.map.local to map. Local to map, I'd have to do my global position, and I'd have to tell it to source -1, and then yeah, I just have to tell it to do a blank tile there, because part of being a locked door means that, you know, you are quite literally a locked, a locked door. And with the unlocked door, you have to go back and you have to set your cell. Oh my gosh, thank God that was so easy to figure out. Just set to back global.map.walk tile. Okay, so now it's a locked door. Theoretically speaking, if I go over here to my locked door, key, don't touch me. Don't touch me, key. Key? Oh. Okay. Hello, you're a locked door. Oh, great. What I do want to do is I do want to put this slightly to the side just so I can see the tile behind it. Yeah, it's still a walkable tile. What the hell? Global local to map. Yeah, -1. Show locked door. Global. Oh, I guess I have to wait for. Oh. Oh, I have to run this code here in Play Store. Ah. There we go. Now if I grab the key, that thing should become a regular door. Please be the case. Key, stop. Boom! The locked door is now a walkable tile, and I have been able to walk through the door. Perfect, perfect. Now I actually have to make it so that, you know, var. Okay, so var is unlocked is equal to true, right? But then if it's show locked door, then it's is unlocked is equal to false, obviously. And if it's to show unlocked door, then is unlocked equal to true. Now I have to make it so that you have a class name of door, and I have to go tell the player, hey, if you collide with something, and if entity is door, then, or I guess else if entity is door, then print I touched door, and then what do I want to do? And then let me see. Copy embedded code. Oops. Video URL. Sorry about that. Okay. I touch door. If entity is door, then if entity dot is unlocked, print move in to next scene. But it should also be something along the lines of what do you call it? It should also be along the lines of what do I want to do? Give me 1 second. Oops. Let me see. Okay, there. Done sending that text message. Okay, so if the entity is unlocked, then moving to next scene. And I guess at the moment I'll just do get tree.reload scene, just to make it look like I'm doing something, just to make it look like I'm doing work. So at the moment the door is locked. Let me see. Door locked. Come back here. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I remember. Key is one of those guys. I didn't see. I didn't see move into next scene. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. When does did I touch something get called? It doesn't get called. What the hell? Oh, it gets called. Oh, oops. It does get called. Who would have guessed? Let me see. The issue is I don't see you saying. I don't see you saying that. I am the player? Okay, interesting. Else if entity is door. Oh my gosh. Oops. So it's actually not part of door. Okay. I guess I just have to manually check if I touch the door then. If global position equals, I don't know, global.door, I guess. I don't like doing that, but whatever. Door, global.door equals self, and then var door is a type of door, and then I just have to do if it's equal to my global position here, global underscore position. Wait, what? Door, why are you not listening? Oh, it's in the player that's having the issue. Oh. If global.door. If the global door is unlocked then. Nice. What the? If global position is equal to, oh, oops. Door is unlocked. Okay, let's see. Come back here. Come back. Okay, there we go. So now, boom! Next level. Next level, here we go. Huh? Why did it just restart? Or am I tripping? Am I tripping? No. I'm not tripping. So I'm glad the basic game loop works. Well, technically it has been working for a while. Okay, there, door unlocked. Boom. Low-key, just even doing this is kind of fun. I'm kind of getting addicted. Okay, boom, got key. Now I'm just gonna scurry along. Now, do I want to add? Yeah, of course I want to add sound effects. I just need to work on that. Okay. Key. Stop moving. Key. Okay. See there, the key makes me restart. Why do you do that? Player.grab key. Why are you doing that? Why would you do that to me? Unless I told it to. Wait, reload. Reload currency. Oh, do I press R? I don't think I press R. Where? Where's this? Player should have died. Check if I'm over player. Oh, maybe the key actually checks. Okay. If self is player, print I am the player. Else if. So if I'm not key, if not key, or I guess my own key. My own key? No. If you're not a key, if you're not a key too, then do that. Because I actually don't know. What is this? Animation mixer grabbed? What? Okay. I need to double check that it's not the key that's restarting. Because I'd be pretty upset if the key was restarting this. That would defeat the purpose. Okay. Am I blind or did I just miss the key? I looked away for a second. Wait, I can rewatch it. That is the beauty of streaming. I can actually rewatch what the hell I just did. Did I miss it or? Okay, I got that one. I have no doubts about that one. Is this the one I have doubts on? Yes, this is the one I have doubts on. Over here, the key and I switch spots. Okay, what the hell? Interesting. The key and I switch spots. Who would have guessed? Yeah, the key and I switch spots. So I guess that's fair. If the you and the key switch spots, then boo-hoo, sucks to be you. You messed up. Shh. Sorry about that. Okay. So right now, to my understanding, the way this is currently coded is if the key and I switch spots, sucks to be me. Okay, I got it. Okay. Boom. Okay. I'm having too much fun with my game. Okay. That was... I don't know what it is about like seeing a key and grabbing it, but that's so much fun. Okay, now I actually have to like put in levels and UI. Ew. Okay. Also, I have to fix this. Door. I'm gonna like put the slightest tilt ever on. Okay, I'll put the slightest tilt ever on a locked door. Okay. Now UI. How do I want to do the UI? How do I want to do... Oh my god, I just realized. Okay, there we go. How do I want to do this? Okay, I figured out how I want to do UI. I want for sure a control node. And I want the control node to have a V-box, no, H-box. This control node's position is going to be right here, like so. H-box is going to be full box, and I want dividers. I swear to God, there was a control divider class. Am I tripping? Separator, V separator. V separator, okay. Yep, that's cool. And I want a V box. I want to be like label. This will be like level. And then this will be the number, like on a 0. Oh. I guess this would be like, How do I want to do this? I guess I don't need to take a screenshot, but what I have to do is, for sure, at least, I have to go and make like sections for sure. This one I want to be like help, how to play, restart, I don't know. A link to like other channels in the jam. Or like information about the like what I'm working on. This one would be like, I guess since most English readers read from left to right, it would be like levels or like blocks placed. So I'm just going to be P for placed, and then this one's going to be like mind, and then it's going to have like a limit out of 5, which I think works. And then this one is going to have like, depth. Do I want to have a goal? No, I guess the goal is just to descend deeper. But, let me see. So I don't want to do a speedrunning thing, so I don't need a timer at the bottom. No, I don't have an inventory either. Do I want to do a heart system? No, I don't want to do a heart system. I want this to be tough as nails. Like, you lose, you get hit, you die. Like, I want it to be like that. I guess there's not much else I need in terms of UI. More like a help section and like a restart button maybe. You don't need a pause button. For sure you don't need a pause button. It's such a simple game. No pause required. Okay, let me do the first one and go from there. So this should be an H-box. H-box. Levels or depth. this one should be an H box. Move up. Oh. V box. And inside that V box, I'll have an H box. This will be blocks placed. And then this would be blocks mined. And I'd have to have like a bit of a gap. So this is like the num. What the hell? I got funny email. Oh, funny email about the summer course I'm marking for. Ew. Whatever. Okay. Blocks placed, blocks mined. Let me see. I guess I would have to have a V separator here. And this. And I'd have to have another number. Like so. Out of 5. Max 5. Max 5. Okay. I guess I don't want it to like max out at 5. Maybe you can get more. I'm not sure. But the moment, max 5. What else do I do? What is this? Animation mixer, grab value, track irradiation, a different interpretation. Blending priorities. Why do you keep telling me this? Like, shut up. Okay, I'll just do cubic. Okay, cool. Definitely need a help section. Oops. Help. I just have 3 buttons here. So it'd be help, restart, go home, and there's no pause necessarily. Is that it? I guess I could do a quick UI label saying like goal, and then based on your goal you act with the goal. So depth, and then it wouldn't be V, right? Oh, oops, not V separator. Well, I guess this V separator can go. Depth would go inside this V box, and another one would be like, I don't know, current goal, and then I guess this one could be an H box. H box, oops, V box, I meant V box. I don't know, get the key, get the key, and then I could have another V separator underneath that. V separator, level 0. The key, blocks mined, help, restart home. Is that all I need? I don't think so. Maybe there's a little bit more. I've gone quiet, but I'm sorry about that. I've just been thinking, trying to think. What do I need? What else do I need? Current goal, get the key. Level number. Why do I feel like I'm forgetting something? Add restart, add UI, limit block placement. Oh, I guess I could say your current action would be which would have to be with this, and I have to put this at the top. Current action, it'd be something like cursor state. Get rid of this. Honestly, I could get rid of this too. Okay. This would be H separator. H separator. This. Honestly, I think that's it. Help restart home. I think that's it. I don't have to make it more complicated than it really is. If I wanted to, I guess I could put arrow buttons, but that's a bit too much. Okay, I think this is fine. So, UI. This is the HBox of everything. I guess what I should do is I should put it in the center. Oh my god, that's condensed. You know, you could like spread out a bit, and then center, and then I know in your custom overrides, constant separation. There we go. So this is a level. Hello new viewer. Level number. I guess this would be like metrics in a sense. Metrics, and then metrics would be centered. Vertical alignment, but again, I'd want you to have a bit of like a gap, 8 maybe, and I want you to have a V separator. Depth, there we go. Oh, what the hell? Oh, you need an H separator. Oops. H separator. I feel like I'm saying H, but I mean H, letter H. Span, this needs to go center. Hello? Center. What? Oh, is there another one there? Oh, level. Okay. So, current goal, get the key. Cursor state. This one also needs to be cursor. This one should also be centered. And center. Constant overrides, about 8. This is the cursor state, H set. So this is block placing, block placed, num of blocks placed, which I kind of wanted to have like a minimum value, low key. Like 60, okay. 6, no, I don't know what the font UI size is going to be, but let me see. Blocks minds. Center. Oops, this one has something here. So is this one. Now do I want to have the max number there? I guess I want to have the max number there, but at the same time, having the max number there means it's fixed, set in stone, and not changeable. That is not necessarily the best thing to have. I kind of want the, I kind of want to have the, whatchamacallit, I want to have the maximum variable, but I don't think I'm changing it during the game, so I don't need it to move. Which is fine. That's fine. And then, okay, maximum. Placed. Yo, low-key, I kind of want the maximum placement to increase. Low-key, I do want it to increase. Just because, like, do you go grab another one? Or, like, or I guess I would have to give bundles. Because if I don't increase that number ever, I'd have to give bundles. Okay. Shit! I'd have to make it increase, so. Max. Blocks place. Why does it sound like a banger? Max blocks place and max. Oh, okay. Max place and then max mind. Max mind. Let's see what else. Max place, max mind. That one has a gap. This one does not have a gap, but I want it to have a gap. 8 as well. I don't like how these aren't aligning. Oh, they're not aligning because these two aren't aligned. Who would have guessed? Layout. I'm kind of going slow with this because I want I want to really think it through. Let's see, 128 would be best. Help, restart home. I think those are practically fine. Buttons. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna grab Kenny font. Oh, I actually have Kenny fonts on my computer. Let me grab them. Kenny fonts. Fonts. Oh, maybe I don't have Kenny fonts. Okay, I guess I'll show myself getting them. Kenny fonts. Font files, I believe, are free to use for this game jam. Did he have one? No, I didn't. I'm surprised I didn't have one. That's so weird. I could have swore I had one. Well, whatever. Downloads. Okay. Extract all. And Kenny fonts. Okay, let me see. Which one do I want to use? No. Yeah. I'm literally struggling with window. Okay, there we go. I want something pixely. I love Mini Square. I can never get over Mini Square, to be honest. Mini Square probably the best. Okay, so assets. Okay, assets. Control. Let me see. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Let me see. New theme. Fonts. No. Oh, it's over here. Why are you so stretched out, man? Oh my god, stretched out by that much? That much is fine. Okay. No theming. Default base scale 1? What does that mean? Default font size 16. Okay, this is the theme editor. I know that to be a fact. Now I know if I want to change something, I do override all, add preview. Nope. I know you have to like select. Hover. Edit? How do I edit? I know there's a way to do it. Oh. Show default. Hover. Oh. Hover. Well, I guess normal. Just normal I also want to change to be something a little bit darker, such as like a light blue maybe. What the hell? I can't change it. Hello, hello. The hell? Oh no, the Godot crashed. Amazing. Godot crashed. Oh, it didn't crash. It just wanted to resize itself. Having a pesky old time. I can kind of see it now, but I can barely see it. So button, normal. Why are you so transparent, man? Also, why is it so laggy to do theming changes? What the hell? Oh, okay. Help, restart home. What more do you need? Okay. Is that clear? That is not clear whatsoever. First of all. 32 maybe? Oh, damn, that is clear. Clearer. First thing that's apparent is most likely change the buttons to a V-box. Like what? Level 0, current goal. Um, 32 maybe? Okay. Okay, cool. This should work. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh no, in some respect I would have to make each aspect of the UI have a script. I guess I should also change these font colors, theme override colors. Now the question is, do I want to have blocks placed like so freaking apparent? Like, does it need to be this apparent? I guess saying max is kind of useless. I think it's kind of implied that it's max out of 5. I'd also only want to show blocks placed or blocks mined when cursor state is in a certain state, if that makes sense. So kind of just thinking through. I'm not like verbally saying it, which I apologize, but sometimes I get like lost in my thoughts. Like, oh, okay, like this isn't a very verbal thought process. Cause I'm like kind of like thinking, okay, what would the person be saying? And I guess I could explain it. So, second copy. Okay, my productivity is also kind of going down. I kind of want to switch projects. Not restart stream, but switch projects for sure. Let me see. I do like how the UI looks, kinda. Help, restart home. Makes sense to me. Okay, at least I'm not gonna be weak, and I'm gonna at least put in a little bit of effort. Candyland? Shit, the previous song was really good. Okay, bump up the volume a bit, just because it's just me, I think. Maybe. Which is fine. I don't mind. Okay. Cursor state. Have a label. Game world. No. I want UI to be its own scene, kinda. Source. UI. You know what? I'm gonna sneak a peek of Ask ChatGPT this. Okay. Sorry, I really do. ChatGPT really does help. Is there anything else I need for UI? Is there anything else I need UI? This rogue-like game where the right now just says current goal, level number, cursor, state, and blocks placed and mine, and a few helpful buttons. What else could I do? Let's see what the roguelike UI improvements. Health bar, stamina. I guess I could have an inventory. Carried keys or special items. Minimap or compass, quest log or objective tracker. Do I want to have a freaking inventory? How about I finish the game and then add an inventory, you know? You know? Okay. Other little children. Okay. Okay, so cursor state has to. What does cursor state have to do? Okay, give me a sec. I just need to do a quick thing on my phone. What do you call? I need to double check something. What the hell? There's no way this. Oh, okay, what do I want to do? Oh, hello. I'm just trying to figure out what do I want to do here. Okay, yes, I remember what I was going to do. I was going to do cursor states, yes. And I was going to say in the UI cursor.gd, cursor is going to add export var blocks place node, which is going to be a hbox, and then there's going to be a blocks mine node, and then function underscore ready has. I do have to. Oh, I guess I'd have to ask tile locator. Shit, it's called tile locator. Hello. Okay, so your class name is tile locator. Cool. And then each time your thing changes, you gotta tell me. Where do you get that? If event input event mouse motion. Oh, walk tile. Okay. Change state. And on will go. You know, oh no. States, I guess, hidden, placing, mining. Place mine. Oh, I remember what I was going to do on my phone now. Hidden place mine. It's a place. Oh, hello, hello. States, place, mine. Hello, hello. We're working on the Game Jam game. Where the Game Jam is between 4 other good YouTubers and we only get to use one tile, like, asset set. We get to use one tile. Oh my gosh, one art asset. I'm kind of losing my mind here. Just because, like, I'm trying to figure out what to do and I don't want to waste my time. Because I only have a limited amount of time to work on this Game Jam. 48 hours. That is very loud. Return closest point. Where's the distance function? Oh, alpha? If alpha is less than 0, or I guess less than or equal to 0.1, set state, set state. Change state to state 0, which is hidden. Cursor. Hello. Cursor state change. And now I'm going to do cursor.emit state name, I guess. Yep. And the only issue is I have to do in the ready function. I have to do function_ready. I'm working on a Game Jam game. If you're not the same viewer from the last second, but I need to do tile locator. So global dot tile locator equals self and global var tile locator is a type of tile locator. Oops. Tile locator. Boom. So global should have that. What? I need to go to global. There. Okay, cool. Global. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to say that global.tileLocator, so in UI, global.tileLocator.change. Oh, what? In tileLocator, you have a cursor change state. Oh my gosh, I almost said diaper change. What the hell? TileLocator.connect to change cursor text on UI. Please work on the first try. If not, I'm going to explode. Mentally explode. Print text. And I guess I could just straight up just say cursor state dot text equal text. And place mine. The hell? So it's working, it's just not working what it's not doing what I expected. So tile locator, if alpha is less than or equal to 0.1. What is alpha? What? Print alpha. Hello? Oh my god, why is alpha negative all of a sudden? What? Oh. Give me a second. Assalamualaikum. What the hell? Mm-hmm. Okay. Do you need me to come do anything? Okay. You should call her after too. Tell her too. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, Alpha. Okay, I'm not sure, but it was working a moment ago. Alpha 5000P. Alpha modulate alpha. Why is it not working anymore? P 5000. Okay, let me just print out P2 then. P. Oops. P. P. Prints P. What? Oh my gosh, I just thought of a good orientation of how to do this. It's just gonna require some time. It would have to be dot modulate dot r dot rg modulate dot b. Modulate, I can get the color, no? Color ABGHRSV. Nice. Hello, if P is... Shoot! Oh my gosh, I have to get up to turn that off. Are you kidding me? Just when a new video joined. Okay, so if alpha is greater than 0, okay, let me turn it off. I'll be right back. 1 second. Eat. Where's the stop button? Alarm off. Ooh, okay. Alarm off. Okay. Okay, so I almost fell out of my chair. Wow. Okay, so at the moment it should say hidden. Hello? If alpha is greater than 0. Oh, it's because it's being set here. Oops. Okay. Okay. This should work. It should be very clear what the cursor is doing. So, hello? Oh, oops. Other way around. If alpha is less than 0. Nice. Hidden. Okay, you can mine. Hidden. I guess it's okay. So right now it would be mine. What the hell? Place. Oh, oops, it's the other way around. If it's green, you can place. If it's red, you can mine. Place. Mine. Hidden. Place. I like that. I like that a lot. Now, you just need to freaking change the variables. Map. Okay. Now, does it work here too? I have to double check. It does. So you can technically walk out of the map. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You can walk out of the map. Place mine. I think that's pretty clear. Oh, oopsie. Hello. Okay, so the issue right now is it tells you if you're gonna mine or place, but it doesn't tell you left click or right click. Honestly, I think I'll leave it as is at the moment, just because it's like a really tiny detail. Key, boom. Okay, so level also has to increase. I don't like how it goes over here. I have to fix that. I really do have to fix that. Let me see. Also, I need to double check something with the key. I'm scared the key is gonna touch me. Okay. Okay, yeah. I cannot place around the key, which is exactly what I want. Why am I getting errors? Or whatever. Mine place. So I can place. Oh. What the hell? There we go. Okay. That was a weird bug. Interesting. Help hidden. Okay, I think that's fine. Okay, I'll work with the blocks placed in mine signal right now. Set cell, set it possibly walkable. I'm gonna do global dot player placed dot emit, and then right click was mine if I remember correctly. So player mind. Yep, cool. Player placed should not work because that signal is not done yet, and signal player mind. So what that does is in the UI, num of blocks placed, you're going to have a script and function ready. You're going to do global.map dot player blocks placed block placed dot connect increase place text. So what does that look like? That looks like this. Do I want to handle it here? I guess I can handle it here. No. Maybe yes. Okay, fine. I'll handle it here. No, I'll handle it over here. Global dot place. What blocks I have placed plus equal 1. Plus equal 1. Yes, it makes sense. Make a sense to me. Yeah, make sense to me. And blocks mind. Okay, makes sense. Oh, placed? What the? Oh, it's on you. Oops, it's not a global signal. But number of blocks placed, it's going to global placed, increase place text. And then your text is literally just going to be increased. Blocks placed, so I guess text equals string of global dot blocks. Number of blocks I have placed. Yes, should work, should work. Yay, and then after 4, okay, cool. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Oh, you know what I should do? You know what I should do? I should make the tile thingy also show if it's placing or mining. So what would I do? I would do region, edit region. I'd have to have a pickaxe and like a building icon. I guess this is a. Where's pickaxe? I swear to God I saw a pickaxe somewhere. Am I blind? I swear to God I saw a pickaxe. This kind of looks like a pickaxe. Mining and then placing. Hello, the purple skittle. Hello, hello. I'm working on a game jam. I'm not sure if you've already heard that spiel, but I'm working on a little game jam game where I'm trying to put together a small tile-based game for a game jam. Oh my gosh, I'm actually losing it. The game jam is for, as you can see, like the tile set, which actually you can't see right now. But this one, it's a Kenny tile set, and the idea is simply make a game with this art kit. Nothing more, nothing less. Sorry about the sip noise. Yeah, and I'm working on this little like grid-based game where it's supposed to be very hard. Like it's meant to make you think. Okay, what I wanted to do is tile locator. When you change your state to place, if state name is place, equal to states or states, and states is place. So this is the placing one, placing show, and if state name equal to states. What are you coding in? I am coding in the Godot game engine, which Godot engine Give me 1 second. Okay. The Godot game engine is a free open source game engine, as it says over here. And the idea is, yeah, you just code in like this Python-like language called GDScript, which is what I'm working in right now. And you can put together any game you want. Realistically, almost anything. Sorry for those little phone noises. If state is 2. Let's see. If it's mining, then I want to show the mining icon. Mining. Not show. But I also want to hide everything else. So for child and children. Child hide. Thank you. And I think it's fun, or this game jam is special to me, because this is like the first game. Oh, what the hell is not working? What? This is the first game I'm working in where other devs are working with the same asset kit, and we're all trying to like put together a game in like the next week or so, and we only have 48 hours to do so. Yeah, that's about it. Although now I'm kind of confused. Why are you not showing? Oh, oops. I figured it out. This has to go first. And now, yes. Oh. What? None of blocks I have placed. Yeah. Yeah, okay, now perfect. Okay, look, now it shows me. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is like the secret to good polish in games, where it clearly shows me, like if I click, it'll mine, and now it's place. Mine place. Okay, now I want to do it with the... I want to do it with just one click. I don't have to like left click, right click, because that's making me starting to like lose my mind. Map. Left mouse button has been clicked. Oh no, this is gonna say, well, shoot. How many games have you coded? See, now I'm actually really curious what the answer is, because I can actually figure out. Let's see, if I go to itch.io and go to my library. No, that is things I've bought. Okay, so this is like load. Come on, load. Okay, there. This is like my itch page. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's actually not loading properly. Give me a second. Okay, there. We have more. Okay, so games. If we're just talking about games, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 computer games. Let me go to Google Play real quick, because I've released a lot of apps before, but they don't show up anymore. Let me see. Give me a second. How the hell do I do this? I'm trying to show just the apps. I don't want to show too much. I guess it's fine if I show information. I guess you can't really do anything with my account ID. But it says I've released... It says I've released, what do you call it? 30, let's see. 30 apps. Oops. 30 apps, but not all of them are games. So this is a game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this doesn't count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, that was my first game ever. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yep, 24. So 24 games plus, what was the itch number? 12, 13? 24 plus 13. 37. Now, I do want to preface that answer by saying, how do people play my games? Oh, oops. L for the ones that got removed. Yeah, I mean, a lot of them did get removed on Google Play because I made them in like a day or two, and I didn't care to update them afterwards because it was like a really low effort project. And because I didn't care to update them, when Android updates, it kind of like Google Play says, oh, go update your previous apps. And yeah, you can play them on an Android phone, except I think none of them are up right now. Because yeah, how many were you thinking? But the idea is, like, I've made quite a few, but I'm working on a bigger project, like a Steam game soon. So hopefully that one's gonna take off. It's a VR game, which would be my first VR game too, actually. Now I think about it. Okay. Left mouse button has been clicked, so I guess it's on the player. No, it's on the tile locator. Yes, left click. Okay, so I have to do global map. Okay. Send out a see what I am over, and then give me a response. So this one I want a current tile. What's current tile? What is current tile? Current tile? Oh, new closest tile. Okay, sounds good. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I guess I could just pass in the state name. See, and then global.map. What? What is this game about? Give me 1 second. Varchar state. Wait, give me 1 second. I'm just in the middle of a logic thingy. This game is like a 2D map game where the AI is super smart and the AI basically like flanks you all the time, and your job is to kind of get to the other side. But give me 1 sec. I'm just in the middle of some logicking. When you press left click, yeah, I'm just gonna pass on the current tile at the moment. Okay. Okay, so the idea of this game is, it's a tile-based game, and you're moving around, you're just moving, having fun, but the idea is there's enemies that are really smart. Okay, let me just actually show you with a bunch of enemies. This is also probably like the hardest. Okay, so random enemy. No, sorry, not random. Following enemy. So let me just spawn a bunch of like simple enemies. Okay. So the idea of the game is, you are over here, this green one, and you want to get to the door on the right hand side. But here's the thing: all these enemies are like super smart, and they're trying to like find the best path to you, and they're really good at it. Like, I don't know if you noticed, but like they're trying to like flank me. So if one guy is going this way, the other guy is going around, right? But here's a special trick: when you left click, it crashes at the moment. But when you left click, you're allowed to place a block and you can kind of escape. But you only have a limited number of those blocks. So to put it really simply, this is a tile-based game where the AI is super smart, but you have tools to outsmart the AI. I guess that's the best way I could put it. But only if the left click stuff work. At the moment, it doesn't. So. Cursor state. And the best part about this game jam or game that I'm working on, yeah, it's literally an 80s arcade game, except I guess it's being played on a computer that you would not find in the 80s. But yeah, it's very similar to a 80s arcade game, more or less. I guess I could pass in state here too. Okay. See what I'm... Okay, give me a response. Okay, so map. If you just give me like a second, I could show you the mining function. Current tile, and then what am I doing? What am I? Or state. And then if state equal to mining. No, mine? What is it? Tile locator? It's mine. Okay, mine, like this. I'm gonna do this. And if state equal to the place. I also gotta struggle with fixing the error. You gotta control. Yeah. Wait, I also get the struggle with fixing the errors. You gotta concentrate so hard. Yeah, it's only that I'm like changing logic that I put in before. So before the logic was, if you press left click, do a left click. If you press right click, do a right click. But now the logic is, if I press left click, figure out based off the context of where the cursor is if I'm trying to mine the block or place a block, So I'm just like frying my brain right now. Okay, so this should work. Theoretically, this should work. Do I understand what I'm doing? Absolutely not. But I'm just kidding. I actually do understand what I'm doing. It's just, I'm like also trying my best not to spend so much time on this. Although it's asking for what? It's asking for, no. Oh, I'm getting errors. Yuppers, I'm getting errors. Okay. What? So, oh. Oh. Okay. What? Map. And I'm over here. No. Current tile. UI? No, it's not UI. It's. Give me 1 second. I'm literally on the cusp of it. In a tile locator. Oh my god. Tile locator. I don't want current tile though. Where's current tile? Do you have a name? My name is NadLabs. Online. Current tile. I go by NadLabs. Why the hell is current tile like this? Oh my gosh. What current tile is changing? Current tile. Okay, I don't know. I'll just pass in global mouse position. Oh my god. It doesn't change though. Tile locator. Okay. Type of cell. Closest point. Oak. Current tile. Why? What? Was I on drugs when I did this? Move current tile. Current tile. New closest tile. See what I'm over and then give me a response. Yeah. Left has been clicked. Mouse map. Mouse pause on map. Wait, if I'm giving in the current tile. I'm so confused. Why no work? Mouse pause on map? Oh, what did I used to pass in? Shit. Gab, where'd you go? Gab? Oh. Oh no, I haven't been using Git on this project the entire time. Are you kidding me? Thank you. I really appreciate that. I think you're the first person to subscribe via a stream so far. Thank you. Or at least the first person who told me. I actually haven't set up those like subscription notifications, but you know what? Thank you. Okay. Wait, this is going to be horrible, but yeah, you used to pass in current tile. Okay, it used to pass in current tile. So it has no reason to not work. Ain't no problem, have to be. Yeah. Okay. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna shoot myself. No, I can't say that. That's not a nice thing to say. But you can start to see my insanity slowly leak out. Oh my gosh. I want this to work. If state is equal to mine, left mouse button has been clicked. Is this even working? Is this even working? So let me see. Mining. Yeah, it is working. It's just not mining. Oh, it's not working for this one in particular. Wait, so right mouse button place. Wait, place? Oh, place gives me the error. Change state. Place, yeah. Tile locator, this place. Right mouse button has been clicked. Current pause. Huh. Set a pause walkable? Yeah, that makes sense. What are all those array / lists of numbers being printed? I'm gonna be real with you. I have no clue. To be honest, I have left a bunch of print statements in. I know this 0.9 is like the percentage number of. I don't know if you noticed, but like you see how the item disappears, like the little blue thing disappears. That I know this number over here, and this number over here are like direct representations of like how far away my mouse is from the player. So you can see when I'm really close to it, it's like 0 almost, or like it's like in the thousands. But when I'm far away, it's in the 100,000s. Yeah, I have no clue. I'm gonna be honest. I know one of them is like where the mouse is, but it's not working. It seems to be, well, it doesn't seem to be working, but it's at least like not glitching around when, okay, place, and then this would be, okay. Set a pause to walkable because I want to. Set a pause to walkable because I want to. Yeah, it makes perfect sense. Yeah. Hello new viewers. Hello. I'm just breaking my mind over this. This shouldn't be taking so long. That's the crazy part. See what I'm over and then give a response. Is this even working? Wait, is this one even working? Is this even working? Place. So if I want to place, wait, so mining works, right? Wait, what? Oh, is this even working? Okay, I had the exact same print statement, right? Amazing. Oh my god, are you kidding me? No way. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I am a genius. Oh my gosh. I had this freaking, I was like, there's no way this shouldn't work. There's no way this shouldn't work. I was literally saying this. There's no way this shouldn't work. But it turns out right mouse button and left mouse button had to be flipped because I was mining. I was literally mining where there was nothing. So I was trying to mine here when I should have been placing. No. It's not working. What? No, this is not my job. I'm technically unemployed. No, I'm kidding. I'm doing my master's at York University. So my job is research. Like I'm a scientist, more or less. Yeah. Technically I'm a scientist by trade, but I'm not doing my job right now. Plus, like, I have been delaying my data analysis. I've just been a bit too lazy to work on it. Give me 1 second. Why the hell isn't this working? I'm a genius. What am I doing? Yeah. Give me 1 second. I swear to God, this was working a second ago. What the hell just happened? Yeah. Oops. Set pause to walkable. Okay, yeah. This is not my job whatsoever. This is just like a side hobby, I guess. Sorry, give me 1 second. Why? What the hell? What the hell? Cursor state. The only way that would not be working is if cursor state is not being updated. What? What? Ah. Oh god. What? This should work. This should work. Oh my gosh. Place? Okay, what's not working right now? Mining isn't working. Why isn't mining working? Oh, right. No, it has nothing to do with the name. Okay, well, how about I get rid of all the print statements right now? Oh my gosh. Done moving this. Okay. Print, I'm the player. Ooh, New York. No, not New York. York University in Toronto, Canada. So not Freedom Land, but Maple Syrup Land, which is right above Freedom Land, Canada. Yeah, I study human hands, more or less. I study haptic perception. But yeah, that's my job. You know, you make a good point. Yeah, it is really misleading, I'm not gonna lie. Every time I have to search up York University, I always get New York. Which is, you know, it's fine. It's fine. Not complaining. Just, you know, it takes a bit to get used to. Okay, alpha P, you can stop being printed. Print. Okay, this should be a lot less print statements. Okay, is this even working? Okay, mine isn't working. Why isn't mine working? Map pasta set. It's not mouse pause on map. Yeah, it is mouse pause on map. 3811 is out of bounds. Are you insane? Tile locator. Damn it, I forget what. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this and then hopefully Control Z's got my back. Hopefully Control Z has got my back. If it doesn't, I'm gonna lose it. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's the exact same thing. Current tile. I just have to pass in current tile. Cursor state. Cursor state's the only thing I have to do. Do I make bionic hands? No, I do not make bionic hands. I study human hands in the sense of the formal thing I study is haptic perception. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm combining two realities of my life, left and right. So, um, I need a second. I study like how do people represent or understand space with their hands, if that makes sense. Like the space in front of them with their hands. Yeah, that's my job at the moment. Although I'm gonna lose that job pretty quickly. Just because my master's is ending, like, or my research is ending soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I hope that answers your question. Oh, it is a super niche area of study. Like no one studies how people understand space with their hands, but it has a lot of applications in VR. And it's actually what my VR game I'm making is going to be about. It's all about like space with your hands. Like when I say space, I mean like physical objects around you. Like, can you understand like, oh, there's a cup right here. Do I understand that if this cup is here, I turn around, do I understand that the cup is like behind me now? Like, is that possible for humans to do? And how does the memory decay? Stuff like that. I just have to analyze my data, to be honest. Let's see what I'm doing. Why is it not working? Can't set if point is disabled. Oh, is there? I think it's spatial perception. Oh, object permanence. It might be object permanence. It might be. Why doesn't it want to? Yes, object permanence. That is more or less what I'm on. Yeah. Kind of object permanence, except it's like hands. It's really specific to hands. A friend explained it, and I was like, yeah. It's kind of like if does your brain understand that an object exists even if you don't have direct stimuli from it, or like if photons or electrical receptors or auditory waves are not coming from that object, can you still process the fact that it exists? More or less, that's kind of what it is. Oh my gosh, I see the problem. Oh my gosh, I see the problem. Oh my gosh, look at this. Current pause, current tile. Sorry, that took. It works. I'm so happy. Yay! Now I can place and mine. Wait. Oh, I haven't coded this part in yet. Okay. It works. Now look, you did for the purple skittle. You were asking about the game. The idea is, look, you can see how this one guy is coming towards me. Now, if that one guy is coming towards me, I can supposedly mine or place blocks to a new point, but now all these other ones want to come towards me, which is fine, except I'm stuck. Wait 1 second. No, that's a bad idea. I don't want to go there either. I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. If I go up, I'm screwed. If I go right, I'm screwed. Oh, I can go into enemies? Oh, I'm dead. Or it's more like this. So, no matter which way I go, you can start to see that this enemy down here is like flanking me, starting to come behind me, and this guy's coming in front of me. Damn it. So I can make a bridge and path towards the bottom. Now these two are around me, and in most games you'd be dead, but then you can mine downwards, or place a block downwards, sorry, and you can get there. And you can also, if you're quick enough, you can like, we must feel something from objects. Doesn't all matter emit radiation, even if it's tiny? Yes, that is absolutely true. I believe it's called black body radiation, but because I'm studying sensation in a haptic context, I do not care about black body radiation, and nor do humans. Like, people can't really sense black body radiation, so I'm not studying that. What I am studying is if you cannot touch an object, can you still, if you cannot touch an object, can you still understand that it's there? Oh. What the hell is this? No value if get true. How'd you get into game dev? Short story, Five Nights at Freddy's. Long story, no, it's not Five Nights at Freddy's. That's a lie. I think a combination of Minecraft and Five Nights at Freddy's was like, damn, computer games are sick. So I want to make computer games too. No. How did I actually get into game dev? I think it was, yeah, no, it was definitely Five Nights at Freddy's, and I started using Click Team Fusion because I was like, oh my gosh, this is the most insane thing I've ever played in my life. So I started using something called Click Team Fusion. Oh my god, they're still around. Click Team Fusion was amazing because it allowed me to, build games with just clicking stuff around. It was amazing. It was the best thing ever because I didn't know how to code. Like this is basically coding in Click Team where you click buttons, and I was like, damn, this is so cool. But then the issue was you could not do anything complicated. Like look at that. User clicks with left button on this thing and the Y position equals 431, then set this internal flag off. Like it got complicated for the games I was trying to make. I think I made Android apps with Click Team Fusion. Yeah, they had like this Android export and everything. But like you can tell like this is dated. Like look at that. There's no phones with speakers like that anymore. But then what did I do after? I think I went into Godot. Yes, it was actually my New Year's resolution. My 2020 New Year's resolution was to learn Godot, and I've just stuck with that ever since. So how did I get into game dev? It was Five Nights at Freddy's, FNAF. FNAF used Click Team. They use Click Team, so I used Click Team, and then it became limiting. So limits, I guess I couldn't really like overcome some limits of the engine, and then I'm in Godot, right over here. I hope that answers your question. Okay. Yes, more or less I did. I actually made a bet with myself. In 2020, I was like, if I don't learn how to program, I will be a loser. No worries. I basically was like, you know what? I was kind of like, for me, it was to learn programming was like, oh, if I don't, I should have died. I should have died. For me, it was like, can I learn programming? No. What was I thinking? I remember in 2020, I thought something like I'm 18 or 19, and if I don't learn how to program, I'm gonna end up a bum or something. Did I start with Python? Yes, I actually did start with Python. I just did LeetCode. I'm not even kidding. Or actually, I did Euler problems. I did Euler problems. Project Euler. I did like maybe 10. I'm not even sure. Do I have a sign-in? No, I don't. But I basically did like a few of these, and I was like multiples 305. If we list, wait, what the hell? If we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of, wait, what the hell? If we list all the numbers below 10 that are multiples 305, we get 359. Okay, the sum of these is 23. Yeah, and then I basically like programmed a Python script. I can tell you already. Yeah, wait, let me just answer the last guy's question. The purple Skittles question. Yeah, basically I did Project Euler, and I learned to program just by continuously filling. And this was before ChatGPT. So I just want to put that out there. Yeah, I just did Project Euler a bunch, and then I figured out how to program through that. And then Godot was Python, and then I learned to program through games. And my YouTube channel was actually how I learned to program. Like, that was the final piece. Honestly impressive as a CS and software engineer. Fella, I can tell you've already got more actual programming and software dev skills than a lot of CS graduates. That's what a lot of the CS people in my uni say to me, because I used to be like president of the game dev club of our uni. I used to be, and almost every single guy there, or every single person there was like, how are you in game dev? And I'm like, I'm a bio student. They're like, no, but how are you in game dev? I was like, I'm in game dev because I just like making games, or I like making programs, and I think I make apps too. I don't just make games, but the point is like, oh wait. The point is, 1 second. I'm distracted by one game. Shit. Okay. No. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Okay, thank God. Wow. I feel like I have to be protected in my own game. Anyways, what was I talking about? I was talking about, in Game Dev Club, a lot of people came up to me and they're like, oh, how are you in game dev? I'm like, I just want to be. But they're like, you're a bio student. You shouldn't know how to code. I was like, no, but I just like kind of taught myself. Because like, it's not impossible to teach yourself. And a lot of them did, oh yeah, that's what I was trying to go to. a lot of them honestly just said like, oh, how do you like you know more than the CS kids here? And I used to give like workshops and like in-person tutorials on to the CS kids on how to make games. I'm not flexing. I'm just saying like that's actually what happened, and like I experienced that. I'm like, damn, how do you not know this? Like you study this for a living, more or less. Also, I'm noticing that my thing is a little bit buggy. It's a bit buggy, but it works. Maybe I'm pressing too quick. What happens if you reach the door? At the moment, if you reach the door, oh, you can't reach the door. You have to get the key. Let me show you. At the moment, the game just restarts. But, oh, that's what I should do. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Are you kidding me? Okay, this is how you dupe them. Ready? Oh, wow, you're really smart. Imagine if I ran out of blocks. If you reach the door, it just takes you to the next level. That's the idea. In CS, they are really ever tossed out on their own to figure out how to make something. Unlike game dev. Oh my god, yeah. In game dev, I feel like, yeah, 100%. You are literally tossed in. Like, it's not even you're tossed in to like figure out your own stuff. It's you have to figure out what to figure out. Like, you have to figure out. Oh, I need to make a door. Okay, what does the door do? Oh, it actually takes me to the second screen. Like, you have to figure out what this means in code, and that literally means like, you know, this is a node, and then take me to the second screen. This is like get tree dot change scene. You know, like you have to figure out what you have to figure out. I don't know if there's a better way to say that, but 100%. The difference between CS and game dev is like insane. And honestly, I think game dev skills have really paid off. Like in my research, everyone comes up to me and is like, "Oh, you're like the coding guru or like the coding guy of the lab." I'm like, don't call me that. I just make computers do things. I don't code. More or less. Let me see. Okay, it's here. Oh, it's here. Oh, 100%. I feel like coders are some of the smartest people trying to figure out solutions for abstract problems. 100%. But at the same time, it's not like all programmers or coders do that, because some of them like could be. Okay, actually, it depends on the coder and what they're doing, but almost all the time, yes, I do agree. But also, is there any other jobs to do that? Teachers are also, I feel like some of this, it depends on the teacher. Teacher is more hit or miss, because I am kind of a teacher as well, because I used to teach like histology lab, like cells. Like I literally straight up taught like students how to see through a microscope and stuff. And I would say the other teacher there was not really good. No hate on her, but she didn't do a good job because like she didn't really like boil it down into simple terms. So yeah, I guess yeah, coders are like not one of the smartest people, but they're definitely trying to figure out solutions to the weirdest problems ever, the most abstract things ever. That had nothing to do with your comment. I'm so sorry. Yes. Okay. What should I do next? Okay. Door. Histology, not histones. Histology, more like I can actually show my slides. Wait, let me grab them. They're like deep down below. Histology, not like histones, but histology more like that, like looking at something, and like literally like cells, like tissue. Sorry, that was the thing I was looking for. Like tissue. I literally taught like students like, hey, if you see this, you know, nucleus, nucleolus, glial cells, like, yep, exactly, like looking into all that stuff. Okay. Or I should add a proper death screen. Oopsie. It is cool, although I would say it gets a little tedious sometimes. Okay, let me just double check that I can die. I'm not dying anymore. What the hell? Okay, let me see. Why did enemies stop dying? Or I think it has to do with this. If get tree. Step. What? If self is where, if not key. Check them out. Anyways, I'd better let you get on your game. Maybe we'll see you on the next stream. Yes, I'm planning to stream more. I honestly do want to stream more because it really does keep me accountable. Like, goddamn. Like, maybe there's like maybe there's 0 people watching, or there's at max 5. This stream had a max of 5, and it's like, damn, one of these people could join at any time, or there's 5 people watching me at a given time. It's like, I better be working. It just keeps me more accountable. It also, like, it's just fun to stream. Thank you, and yes, I'm gonna try finishing up this game as quickly as possible. Oh my god. Print. I am overpowered. Let's see. Is this working? Nice. You're right next to me. Why aren't you working? Check if I'm overplayer. Is that even being run? Twin callback. Yes. You're being called. Check if I'm overplayer. Yeah. If you are not the key. If you are not the key. Oh, I guess I should do if movable enemy. Wait. If enemy, no, not if enemy. It's oh, if self not key. If self not key. Wait, what the hell? If expected in. No. In not? Oh, wait. 1 second. Oh. There's someone at my door, but it seems to be an ad, so I'm gonna ignore it. Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me deal with this guy. 1 second, I'll BRB. Oh, never mind. Never mind. He left. Okay. It was an ad. Nice. What the hell is he moving around? Oh. Sorry, give me a sec. Okay. Okay, cool. Not something to worry about. Okay. Check if I'm over player. Okay, if global position is equal to global.player.position, print I'm over player. So if I step, I'm over player, right? Then it's yeah, print I'm over player. But the thing is, I want to do it with key too. So let me just duplicate key a bunch, so I can like maximize how many times I can do this. Oh, key. You see, this is where this game really pisses me off, because it's like, what do I do here? It's like, I can mine this, sure, I can mine this. Now, how do I get to the key? I can't get to the key. So, I should place over there and go around. But the key moves. And the key ain't coming towards me. At the moment, there's more keys than there should be. Oh, okay. Did the key say anything? Oh my gosh, no. It really has to be that the key... Wait. Okay, let me print. Let me see. Print text. R of enemy pauses on the map. Clear so. Okay. Nope, that's too far away. Get lost, get lost. Okay. No, I need a key near me. Okay. I need to see if... Wait, what are you debugging? Oh. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I need to see if... No, get lost. If I continue walking, just moving over. If I continue... Oh, it said it. I am overplayer. Okay. Movable character. Print I am overplayer. And if self is key. Print I am key overplayer. Else literally anything else. Pass if I'm overplayer. Okay, let's see. It should be I'm an enemy. Yes. I am an enemy. Okay. So I should do something with like print. I'm almost done my coffees. Let me see real quick. Give me a sec. Oh, I assume right now that the random placement of enemies on map gen isn't really informed, and you can make a map without a valid way to win. You could get a map without a valid way to win. At the moment, okay, wait. So the way the map is generated, wait, this is actually really interesting. I'm so glad you asked. I've been meaning to geek out about this. The way the map is generated at the moment is it draws some tiles and then it decides to go up, down, left, right, whatever, and it generates a fully connected path no matter what to like the end of this, like to this area over here somewhere. And then it says, okay, if I'm on the right hand side and I haven't like finished how many times I have to iterate, start again somewhere random and then just randomly happen to draw. Okay? And then again it does the same thing. It just randomly happen to draw. And I happen to get a super interconnected map, and I will always place on some tile in this right hand area. So your question is, it isn't really informed. It is informed to an extent, although I don't double check it. Does that mean there could possibly be not a valid way to win? Absolutely. But the chance is like super low, and I haven't even encountered it, just testing it. So yeah, that was like one of the biggest things I was working on. Like I didn't stream this part, but I did record it, and it was like me freaking out. You getting stuck easily? Yes, 100%. But that is the like that is the crux of the game. Like I wanted a game where you got stuck around enemies and you had to like figure out, like right now I'm trying to figure out like, oh, I should block him. I should block him. But the issue is you only have like a limited number of mining abilities. So it's like, do I want to get rid of this enemy, or do I want to like take the L, just wait it out? Damn it. Do I just want to wait it out? Oh my god. Wait it out and like figure out how to... There, I got the key. The door unlocked. Do I want to wait it out and kind of like duke two of them together? Shit. See, like, you only have a limited number. But they're being really annoying. So the idea is you'd like place down, mine that one, place it back, and then duke them. Damn. Oh my gosh. I literally just duked them. Oh, okay, there we go. And now they're going to... they're going to get me from both sides. I'm not going to lie, this is the first time in my life I've gotten stuck playing my game more than actually building it. Because look, now that guy's going to come down. Oh, great. If I go down, he's going to come towards me, which is fine. I can go left. 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 Up. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. The thing is, like, every at least the idea is like, oh my gosh, every single decision I made led me to this point and I'm stuck. The only way I can foresee myself winning this is... There's no way to win this. What do I do? I can't move diagonally. I can place here, here, here. I can mine that. I can place here. I think I'm actually stuck. And the thing is, like, it's my fault that I got stuck. If I place everywhere... Great, I died. But to answer your question, yes, you do get stuck around enemies, but that is the point. And also, it's also like I tested like 5 enemies, you know, like the game. That's what I was doing. I was trying to make the enemy counter. I was trying to make the enemy spawn more as the levels progressed. Okay, so doors over here, cool. Doors, amazing. Serving door. Player. Okay. Global dot level num plus equal 1. This is a banger song. What the hell? Okay. Metrics level. Yay, I'm glad that helped. Although I feel like my explanation was clouded by like half playing my game and then getting stuck and then trying to compute the best outcome of my game. But yes, the map gen is informed and I do get stuck around them easily, but that is the challenge I'm trying to focus on, because I've always wanted to make a game where it was like spatial reasoning, but at its absolute finest. Like I love spatial reasoning. That's what my master's is in. Yeah. Okay. Amazing. Level num. Level num. Function underscore ready. What was that? Can drop data at position. Interesting. Answer ready. Text equals string of global dot. So this should work, hopefully. Hey, where'd my enemies go? What the hell? Oh, I actually removed them. Oh, I am over. I am key over the player. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, new viewer. Hello. Okay. Let me see. Where is? Oh, player grab key. Entity.player.grab key. Player.grab key. So I believe it should. Oh, player.grab key. Okay, so in global, not global. In move. What is it? In movable character. Okay. So it should be self.player.grab key. Because if I am that, okay. Call. I don't like that, whatever. I want to get that key. Cool, I got it. Okay. So now the key should be grabbed if I even walk into it. I should be able to walk into it. Key, can you come back, key? Key? Key, come back. Key, come back. Come back, key. Yay! Okay, now the door unlocked. Yay, next level. Just doing this is super satisfying. I don't know why. I really don't know why. I think it's like I can see my goal and I'm progressing. Boom. I don't like how that isn't reactive anymore. I don't know. Give me a sec. Okay, cool. Player grab key, call. Okay, cool. You call that function, but oh my gosh, Grime, if you're still watching, this is the first time I have ever seen the map not connect. Now, do I care that it didn't connect? A little bit, but at the same time, I think I'm giving the player enough in terms of like the ability to mine and move around to the extent that even if they're stuck like this, they can just easily place, and then the key, well, the key isn't coming towards me, but the key is like just trying to like move around randomly. Yeah, it's just moving around randomly. Although the key also can not move around if it chooses to. Okay. Let me see. Oh yeah, I want to add power-ups. I guess I do have to add power-ups now. Shit. Wait, where's plus equals in this code? Current tile. Oh, global. Oh, number of blocks I mined. Oh my gosh. Number of blocks placed. Okay. Number of blocks placed. What? Number of blocks. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Number of blocks mined. Number of blocks mined. Just copy this code and paste it there. Global.map. See, it's okay to copy paste code, I think. So this is number of blocks placed. So number of blocks placed. That's totally fine. This makes sense, you know. When the increased place text, like an increased number of place text has been like called, you know, change the text. And over here in blocks mined, so blocks mined is the bottom number. You know, blocks mined is easily, is easily the same thing, but global.player_place. No, it's player mine.connect increased mine text. Increase mine text. And then global of num of blocks I have placed. No, mined. I have mined. And now it should work to the extent that, yep, if I place in mine, it works. Okay. Cool. Now here's the thing. Oh yeah, I want to fix the door because I don't like how the door does that. Yeah, okay, I have to get rid of it. Transform 0, scale, same as before. Over here, 0, but scale, scale. Oh, scale is 1. And then visibility. Show behind parent. I just need to put a region around you. Oh, motion detected. Oh, no. Oh, power-ups, that's what I was gonna do. Oh no, you seem pretty cool. There, looks like a better locked door now. Power-ups. What is door? Is door just extends no to, oh, okay. Ooh, not that. Simple power-up. Add proper depth screen, okay. Add proper depth screen. Single power-up. Simple power-up, Source, that's game world. Power-up. Simple power-up. Power-up is necessary because I realized that if I'm going to have regions of the cookie, yum. If I'm going to have things where people have a limited number of mines, they should also have the ability to increase how much they can mine, which I think is the only fair way to do this. I guess I'll just make it a potion that increases both, both mining and placing abilities. Yes. That's not scope creep, is it? Right? Symbol power up. Power up. Symbol power up. Function underscore ready. Finished. No, what? Map gen done. Done map making dot connect. Place this power up randomly. And then I don't know, I'll figure it out later. But I do want to tell myself that I did that. Symbol power up. Oh, enemy handler, okay. Okay. Then after this, if I'm testing, so this is testing code, pure testing. And now I want to do function underscore spawn enemies based on level num. Boom! This is where the game. This is where the gaming is happening, because spawn enemies based on level number is the difficulty. So if level num, no, that's disgusting. What I want to do is I want to make a function that basically says spawn the same number of enemies as the level num is. So that's so easy. So for I in global.level num spawn enemy. Boom, it's that simple. Actually, it's not that simple because there's a few enemies I have. So there's function underscore spawn follower enemy. There's function underscore dash enemy, dashing enemy. There's function underscore teleport enemy, teleport spawn teleport enemy. What else is there? Function underscore. I think that's it. Although I did want to put an enemy that mind blocks for you, or mind blocks in its wake, just cause that's absolutely evil. And also I think that would be super cool. But I'm not sure yet. Let me see. No, I want to spawn twice the number of range times 2. Wait. Max of 10 enemies? No, because this means at level 6 you're cooked. More or less. So like if it's 8, that's 16 enemies. Oh my god. Could I handle 16 enemies? Forget the player. Could I handle? Spawn rand enemy, I guess. And it's literally going to be a function of like var rand if, and then if r is less than 0.33. I don't know a better way to do this, honestly, and I'm just too lazy. Oh wait, I actually do know a better way to do this. Var possible funcs. Spawn and follow enemy. Spawn a dash enemy, which is a function that totally exists. Spawn a dash enemy. And now all I have to do is var rand func picked equals possible funcs.pick random, and then call rand func. Boom. It's a function. What? What is a function? It's a callable. Oh my gosh. A string of this. Okay. Okay, I think this code makes sense. To spawn a random enemy, to spawn a random enemy, I'll have my function of like which enemies I could possibly spawn, and then out of the possible functions, I'm gonna pick a random one. It's gonna give me a type of callable because that's exactly what this is. This is a type callable, and then it should just call it. So, because I'm on level number 8 in my debug code, no one gets spawned. Why does no one get spawned? Well, first of all, I actually haven't spawned anything here. So I'm going to do that right now. Also, door. What are you doing? Door, come on, man. Let's see. Door. Enemy handler, so. All of this is going to be the same, but. Preload. Following enemy. Instantiate. And it's going to be add child. FE. Now, to my understanding, it should just automatically place itself in the world. This is dash enemy. Child dash enemy. Dash enemy dot instantiate. And then var teleport enemy. Preload. Teleport enemy. And now, for the grand finale and reveal, add child TE. For the grand finale, oops, what the hell? Door could not parse global class door? Are you kidding? Oh, oops. How the hell did that happen? And no one spawns. Wait. This MF is out of bound? What? What? Oh. It should be global.map.connect. Oops, not connect. Finished. Finished? No, it's done map making connect. Spawn enemies based on level 9. It doesn't even get called. Amazing. Call random func pick. Why? Can I put these here? I feel like it calls them. No? Oh, nice. Well, I guess that doesn't work. I'll just do the old tried and true method, which is if randf less than 0.33 spawn random follow enemy, else if randf is less than 0.66 spawn dash enemy, and else spawn teleport enemy. Let's go. This should work. Oh my god, what the? What do you mean this MF is out of bounds? I know exactly what's wrong. Done map making. Is that what you connect to? Never thought to use function names in an array like that. Oh, it didn't work. I'm so confused. Although I feel like it would work. I mean, that's what I do in JavaScript. I often do that. I do something very similar in JavaScript, where like I have an array, or at least in Svelte, I end up doing a lot of that. I feel like this should work. Like this makes no sense why it shouldn't work. Call method. Oh, is it call method? It shouldn't be call method. I don't remember there being a call method. Nope. Call deferred and string name of rand func picked. I'm even gonna print this. Like I feel like this should work. Oops. Like it definitely works. Oh wait, oops. It definitely does work. Sorry, it does work. It's just that what's wrong? Enemy handler. Like I can definitely tell it's working. It's just that it's out of bounds. But like following enemies, sprite to move, done map making. Wait, when does it call this? This MF is out of bounds? Unleash the debugger, literally. It seems to not spawn dash. Oh, it actually doesn't. Wait, what the hell? Enemy handler. Spawn follower enemy, you're right there. Maybe, just maybe. Is it this? Is this the issue? Oh. Oh! Oh, interesting. Enemy handler spawned to teleport enemy. So now it actually knows that they're, like, now it loads them in. I'm guessing like the script knows they exist. And, oh my god. Here. So the script knows that these exist. It's just that. Do they have to be like public? No, it's not export. What is it? It's static. Is it? Does this have to be static? Cannot call non-static add child from the static. Oh. Wait, are they spawning in the top left? No, they're not. They're not spawning in the top left. Spawn follower enemy method not found. I don't know, man. I guess it didn't work. Oh, I'm sorry to get your hopes up. R and F. If R, let's just do one guy. Like at this point, spawn follower enemy. Like, how are you not working? Remote. Oh my gosh, he's there. He's there. How do I move this? What? He's there. Oh my gosh. This is why I love Godot. Like, I can move this here. In fact, let me get this. Let me get this set up properly. If I move this value, I can see him move over there. That is crazy to me. Okay. Yes, they are spawning. They're just not being placed properly. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna end the stream because I've been streaming for 3 hours and I am low-key going insane. I also need to document everything I did so I can have like a proper understanding of exactly what I'm doing and what I did during each hour. But thank you, Graham, for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I like super duper appreciate it. Although the array thing didn't work. Sorry to get your hopes up about that. But it does. I think it would work. Thank you for saying that. Thank you. Okay, I'm actually gonna end because I haven't used the washroom since I started. I have to get up. Okay, cool. I will talk to you soon or see you around. Thank you. Bye.